artificial intelligence, but not only artificial intelligence, but also the metaverse, new space technologies, and I could go on and on, synthetic biology. Our life in 10 years from now will be completely different, very much affected, and who masters those technologies in some way will be the master of the world.
This is an example of what happens when humans are trying to play gods. The food that we eat is packed with sugar. Sugar that is killing us. The food that we eat is highly processed, spoiling the natural functions of the human body. The food that we eat is full of chemicals, metals, and artificial coloring. But how did they get there? And why are they still there? Marketing promises you colors, you buy the colors. You don't read the label that explains to you what you're actually eating. And most labels don't actually inform you what's going to happen to your body once you consume all the chemicals, toxins, metals, and artificial coloring. But let's spend our money in synthetic biology, because that's going to solve our problems. Is this the future that we should be looking forward to? The future of synthetic biology and the metaverse. Science is replacing evolution based on natural selection with evolution based on intelligent design. Do you remember this quote? World leaders are trying to prove to us that this is what natural selection looks like, when this is not true. This is already synthetic biology. This drink, there's nothing natural about it. And this is the kind of drink we're all consuming today. And this is the kind of society that our society is starting to look like. And we don't need synthetic biology to resolve our problems. We need to learn biology. We need to learn how the body works. We need to change the food that we're eating, because that's what's destroying us. And the metaverse is not going to solve our problems. More screen time is not going to solve our problems. More screen time for children is going to create more problems. Whoever controls the technology is the master of society. But what kind of society is that? Our bodies have extraordinary abilities. Our minds have extraordinary abilities. We've just been contaminated. We are not sick, we're just reacting to a sick society. Is AI the future? Sure, but our minds are as powerful as AI, and AI could never have what we have, the heart. Synthetic biology is not the future. Actual biology is the future, so that we can understand how the body works and why it cannot handle this much sugar. It's time to redirect our attention from space back to Earth and change the food industry and the healthcare industry. And while we're at it, we might as well change the educational system so that it can start teaching young children and teenagers actual life skills. Who knows? The economy might improve, the standard of living might improve. If we stop destroying ourselves, we might actually get a chance to get to know ourselves and create a society that celebrates differences and looks after nature.